name is Matt Ng, and I'm a piano major with a flute minor as well. Okay, I'm also a composition. I compose music. In particular, I wrote for the YouTube channel Epic Music World. My composition was featured there. I played several instruments. My current primary is with piano. Qualifications for piano is on grade 8 distinction. I'm currently pursuing my diploma LTCL under Trinity College, and I also pursue LTCL with flute as well. As you can see, I play the flute too, right? And also, I have a very huge passion for playing music, especially when in this day of age, I actually write music for a very large community. Epic Music World is actually a very large community in the YouTube channels. I also have several performance experiences. I also possess a ABRSM PC course qualification, which involves in piano major. And also, I have several performance experiences with the flute as well, in particular teachers' concerts with students in the past, and also just with other teachers. I look forward to teaching you all in piano and flute.